Hi children, welcome back to our channel Bhavyamahas Kids Tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. So children, today we will learn about how to write body parts in cursive letters. Okay, let's begin. Head, hair, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, lips, teeth, tongue, cheeks, neck, shoulders, stomach, hips, arms, hands, fingers, legs, knees, feet. Okay. Head. H E A D. Head. Hair. H A I R. Hair. Ears. E A R. Yes, ears. Next, eyes. EY ES. Eyes. Next, nose. N O S E. Nose. Mouth. M O U T H. Mouth. Lips. L I P. Yes, lips. Teeth. T E E T H. Teeth. Tongue. T O N G U E. Tongue. Cheeks. C H E E K S. Cheeks. Next, neck. N E C K. Neck. Shoulders. S H O U L D E R S. Shoulders. Stomach. S T O M A C H. Stomach. Hips. H I P S. Hips. Arms. A R M S. Arms. Hands. H A N D S. Hands. Fingers. F I N G E R S. Fingers. Legs. L E G S. Legs. Knees. K N E E S. Knees. Feet. F E E T. Feet. Thanks for watching children. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Bhavyamahas Kids Tutorial.